Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the CPU totaling test comparison between the Realme X1 Max with the Realme UI 3.0 versus the Realme X1 Max with the Realme UI 2.0. So both phones are Realme X1 Max device only, but different UIs which I'm trying to use at this moment. Let's see friends which one has got what type of exactly CPU totaling. So you can clearly see, so both are different UIs at this moment, Android 11 and Android 12. How much difference it can be there regarding the throttling effect. That's what this all video is about. And during this process, I'll try to use the high performance mode. So using the high performance mode, we'll try to get exactly maximum out of the performance between these both phones, and we'll try to see at the highest level performance which phone throttles a lot. So that's what this video is about, and highest temperatures how much it can actually increase as well. I'll try to check exactly. Right now both phones exactly high performance mode that it turned on, and this is a 12GB RAM variant and this is a 8GB RAM version. As you can clearly see comparison between these both phones. Now it's time to check the CPU throttling between these two devices side by side. And same settings I'm going to use exactly, which is 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. These are maximum threads I can actually use between these two phones. And battery percentage is also exactly same friends. Right now it's of 98% and 98%. So regarding the battery percentage also, you should not be worried about that, because both phones do have exactly similar kind of battery percentage as well. That's kind of really very good start. And same brightness I'm trying to select between these both phones, exactly same brightness level. Let's start the test. This is the Realme UI 2.0 and this is the Realme UI 3.0. And I'm going to be back after 5 minutes of time. Let's see in the 5 minutes which phone will be having what kind of throttling results. All those things we'll try to discuss exactly after 5 minutes. And my room temperature is about 29 degrees Celsius friends. My room temperature, it's not that cool at this moment. No AC, no fan, nothing at all. We'll try to see what's happening between these both phones regarding the throttling effect using with the high performance mode. And I'm going to be back after some time. So right now as you can see, when the time is about close to 8 minutes of time as well between this both Realme UI 3.0 and the 2.0. You can see the graph how it is, the color, and the temperatures in the both phones did increase pretty high, 44 degrees Celsius. Wow. 44.2 in the Realme UI 2.0 and in the 3.0 43.2. 43.4 as well. So both phones are pretty high friends regarding the temperature, so 44 degrees and 43 degrees. And if you try to look at the graph, you can clearly see the Realme UI 2.0 was able to maintain pretty stable performance when compared with the Realme UI 3.0 regarding the both phones. And I'm going to be back after maybe around 13 minutes or 14 minutes of time. Then let's see at the end of the test, we'll like to see exactly what's happening in this both Realme UI 2.0 and the 3.0 as well, side by side comparison. And I'm going to be back after some time. So right now try to observe friends, these are the final moments of this Realme UI 3.0. So let me to bring the camera slightly kind of close. You can actually see it's kind of pretty close to the 15 minutes of time. 45 degrees, 46.2 degrees. OMG, like 45 and 46. My room temperature you can see friends 29 degrees. So because of this both phones side environment completely changed. 45 and 46 temperatures friends. Using with the high performance mode, this is what happens. And you can clearly see the CPU throttling what's happening here. 87% and 73%. But try to look at the overall maximum scores are higher in the Realme X1 Max 3.0 UI. This is a 3.0 and this is a 2.0. And his average score average 297, 294, minimum 218 and 240. You can clearly see what's happening here. Only at this certain point, one time the minimum score has been decreased, but most of the time it was able to maintain pretty good CPU throttling. You can clearly see friends, side by side. This is a quick comparison between these both phones with the Realme UI 3.0 and the 2.0 side by side, so you can actually understand exactly what's going on. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.